with another video. I don't talk like that. What up, it's your girl Tink, and I'm back with another video. And today's video is going to be my wash day routine. I've got a lot of requests for this video, so I just decided to go ahead and do it since my hair is dirty and matted and everything. I'm going to take you through everything that I do when I wash my hair. It's so dry and everything because I just had twisted my hair for like a week and a few days, so my ends are like really dry and brittle. Y'all know, like the week after next week we got school, and best believe I got a whole bunch of videos coming y'all way. So make sure y'all hit that subscribe button and turn on that post notification bell and add on my social media, which will be in the description. So without further ado, let's get started with the video.
So here I'm showing everything that I'm going to be using. I'm using the Cream of Nature leave-in conditioner, Suave conditioner, and the Cream of Nature shampoo.
So I think I'm going to be washing my hair in the sink today because I could do it in the shower, but I feel like the angles are not that good and the lighting wouldn't be that good. So I'm just going to go to the kitchen sink today to wash my hair so y'all can see. So I don't like washing my hair like this. I always have to put it in like sections. So what I do is take my hands. So what I do is take my hands and I part it from ear to ear. So I split my hair into two sections. Can y'all see me? Hold up. I split my hair into two sections because I feel like it's easier and I can get the middle of my hair real good. So I just split it into two. And I'm going to be using the hair tie to do this with because it's the easier thing to do right now. And baby, I can hear my hair. That's how freaking dry it is right now. So let's go on and wash that so we can maintain a healthy head of hair.
So for this wash day, I will be using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Sulfate-Free Shampoo. And I really love this, but it makes my hair feel kind of dry. So the first thing that I do is wet my hair, and then I will be putting some of the product into my hand. And here goes my brother walking through the door. Get out! So I'm putting some of that product in my hand, just enough, I guess. And I will be washing my hair twice with this shampoo. Once I am done with the back, I then begin to start on the front, and I just repeat the same processes. I wash my hair twice, then I just rinse everything out. Then I take my Suave or Suave, whatever you want to call it, conditioner, and I put that in my hair. It's the almond and shea butter, and I think that this conditioner gives me more slip than any other conditioner, so that's why I like using it when I detangle my hair. So now I'm showing you guys my detangling process. I like working in small sections, so I split even my big sections in half, and then I begin to work on them. So I comb my hair from bottom to top, and then I brush it like that as well, and then I would just twist up the section. After I complete this last section, I let the conditioner sit on my hair for about 10 minutes. Then I rinse it out, leaving my twist in. So I was talking when I got back, but I decided I wanted to do a voiceover. So I rinsed out all the conditioner out of my hair, and my hair is looking very good and moisturized. The next thing that I do is finger detangle my hair and add some leave-in conditioner and oil. So I repeat the process to each section, and after I'm done, I just put my hair into 2 ponytails and let them dry.
So after I did everything that I did to this side, I then took the oil that I showed and I put it all over my scalp. So that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure you hit that big thumbs up. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so become a part of the Flopbox crew. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Tink signing out.
So cold and so cruel, so many colors. Play hoes like Pro Tools, can't never trust them, trust them, no, fuck them,